For my base coat, I will be using Oont Ready for Takeoff. The colors that I will be using in this manicure are Wine Stock from Hansen in the Miracle Gel line. It's not quite as dark as it appears on camera. And the other two polishes I'm using are from Glaze. This one is Campfire It Up and Prairie Tail Ending. Both of those are from the Gone West collection. I will be using Prairie Tail Ending as my base color. And once I have that applied, I'm going to go back and apply liquid latex around the nails. I only applied one coat of the base color, and I went ahead and put a top coat over it. I just used a random top coat out of my collection. You can use whichever one you feel like using. And for my gradient, I've got this sponge that has been cut down a couple of times. As you can see, this one has only been cut down maybe once. So this other sponge that I plan on using today has been cut down a few times, and for those of you who haven't noticed, I did end up losing this nail. I recorded the video on a Thursday and I lost it on Tuesday at work. So it lasted a really good time, but with the length that my thumb broke down to, I did cut down the rest of my nails. So what I'm just gonna use this sponge because it fits very well on those. And I want the darkest color to be at the cuticle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it on the sponge right up here at the top. I'm going to take Campfire It Up right in the middle. And Prairie Tail Ending at the tip of the nail. And I'm just going to sponge this on a couple of times, and I'll be right back. Okay, once you get to the last set of sponging the gradient, you could go ahead and take off your liquid latex as you finish each one. But we're going to be moving on to stamping, and because I am filming at 11 o'clock at night, just for the sake of time, I'm going to leave it on throughout the stamping. And instead of placing top coat to smooth this out, since we are doing stamping, I'm going to use Pro Effects Sticky Base Coat, just to ensure that the stamping is secure. And once I have that applied, I'm going to be using this plate from Maniology. It's Maniology MO11. I'm going to be using this image right here. For my stamping polish, I'm going to be using Blackjack from Pueen, and my stamper and scraper are Maniology. And now we're going to go ahead and move on to the stamping. I'm just going to place the polish all over the image, just to make sure that I get it all in every single line. And then I'm going to scrape just a couple different directions, and then I'm going to pick up. And there you are. I'm just going to take this onto the pinky, and I didn't quite go up far enough with the liquid latex, but that is okay. Go in and stamp it down. And then we will continue that on all the nails. I completely forgot to peel the liquid latex as I was finishing the stamping, so hopefully it peels off okay. And once I finish this step, I'm going to do some cleanup. Right, and once everything is dry, take your top coat. I am using Seche Vite and apply it to all of the nails. And there is the finished design. I love the way this looks glossy. And you can leave it this way if you'd like, but I'm going to go ahead and add matte top coat. This one is from Simple Colors, and it is called Mattifly Top Coat. And there is the design matte. Personally, I love this manicure. I had planned on doing something else for my birthday manicure. My birthday is Thursday, and I had planned on doing something blue, because blue is my favorite color. I had planned on doing something blue, but when testing these colors together and looking at the matte, I had to have this on my nails right now. I could not wait till after. So this is going to be my birthday manicure, and I will be sure to link all the products that I've used in the description box below. I will be posting pictures on Instagram if you want to follow me over there. It's at No Worries Nail Art, no caps, no spaces. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see y'all next week.